In this very short video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4820. This works the same way on the 4830 and probably many other models that have one of these screens. So to factory reset your Epson printer, you need to go on the home screen. If you don't see that, just press this home button here, it will bring you there. Then swipe towards the right side until you see settings. Click on settings. Then select general settings, the first option. Go down, select System Administration, select Restore Default Settings. And here you're going to be able to reset specific things about this printer, and you'll also be able to completely factory reset the printer, depending what you're looking for. If you just want to reset the Wi-Fi, select Network Settings, and this is the only thing that will get reset. The other personal data will still be stored on this printer. To delete everything, select Clear All Data and Settings. And from here, all you have to do is to confirm by clicking yes. It will take a few seconds and the printer will be factory reset. And hopefully your problem that you were having in the past will be gone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to support my channel, please check the Amazon affiliate links down below to get some paper, some ink for your printer. If not, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.